Imagine this. One morning you wake up, and while you're still sound asleep, your money is growing and multiplying all by itself. No need to rush to the office. No need to bow your head and follow your boss's orders. And you still have plenty of time for your family. Sounds like a dream, right? But guys, this is actually happening to regular people like you and me.
Hey everyone, what's up? Today I want to tell you a story that completely changed my life and the lives of so many others. It's about raising ordinary chickens, just 50 of them, that turn into a real money-making machine. First things first, hit that like button on this video right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss cool clips like this.
So, about 3 years ago, I met this regular guy. Just an ordinary dude working in a factory on minimum wage, buried in debt, family problems piling up everywhere. His life felt completely stuck. Then, one day, he decided to take all the little savings he had and buy 50 chickens. His friends laughed their heads off, calling him crazy. His wife even threatened to leave if he kept risking money on something like that. But he kept going anyway, and everything flipped upside down. These chickens aren't just walking around doing nothing. They're like your personal employees, working 24/7 for you.
Oh, I couldn't.
They never ask for a raise, never complain,
Thank you.
and never
Truly.
take long vacations. One hen can lay hundreds of eggs a year. Plus, they multiply the flock by themselves. Their poop sells as great fertilizer for a nice chunk of money. It's like having 3 factories in one. Do you guys know that a chicken only eats about 100 plus grams of feed a day? But it generates income for us all year round, no matter how bad the economy gets. Imagine this. One morning, you walk over to your chicken coop, collect fresh eggs, and sell them to your neighbors. Once they taste them, they're hooked and become regular customers. It's like those Uncle Paul stories. Once you start telling it, everyone listens with full attention. And is it really possible for a small business like this to clear all your debts in just a few months? Well, it actually is. I used to think the same way many of you do. How could chickens possibly compete with big businesses? But when I looked closer, it has its own kind of magic. The chickens expand on their own. You don't need to hire extra workers. They take care of each other, produce great fertilizer, and the costs are super low. Taking care of them is way easier than you think. You don't need to be a vet or anything. Just a little love and care is enough.
And do you guys know, there was this single mom who started with just 20 chickens, using the money she saved for her kids' education. 6 months later, not only did she survive the crisis, but she quit her cleaning job, expanded to hundreds of chickens, and built her dream house. You can picture it so clearly, right? Her life went from rock bottom to total turnaround. These chickens give you so much more than money. They give you time. While they're working, you can do other things. Spend time with your kids, work on your own projects, or just relax. This is real passive income, guys. If you're worried about stress, don't stress. 50 chickens can live comfortably in a backyard or even a small room. If you don't have a yard, you can rent a small plot. The cost is cheaper than expensive coffee for several months. And the eggs you get are super fresh and higher quality than anything in the supermarket. It's like having your own personal supermarket that never closes. Imagine this. One day you have premium organic eggs or those special colored eggs that sell for a much higher price. Big companies actually prefer buying from small farms like ours because we can control the quality better. And nothing goes to waste. Chicken manure, feathers, eggshells, everything can be sold. It's like how something useless turns into something valuable. Guys, this business also connects you back to nature. It improves your mental health, reduces stress from just being around the chickens. Each one has its own personality. Some are shy, some are naughty. It's like having your own reality show right in your backyard. Plus, it teaches your kids responsibility too. So, if you want to start, you can begin small. Just 5-10 chickens is fine. Then expand using the profit you make. It's not as hard as you think. And the egg market is super stable because people eat eggs every single day. Before I end this video, I want to tell you guys
hello
the
there,
real
my
key.
beauties. You're a
Take
good
care
girl,
of your
aren't ya?
chickens
Go
with
on,
love.
join your friends.
They
What
will
a lovely
repay
day.
you with eggs and prosperity multiplied many times over. So what about you? When are you thinking of starting to raise chickens? Or do you have any experience raising animals? Drop a comment and let me know. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe
Howdy there,
and
friends.
turn on the
Welcome
bell.
to the farm. If you like
In the
what
next
you see,
video,
hit that bell
I'll go into
and meet my
super
chickens. They're
detailed